Jessie here. I'm back with another video. I'm going to share our meals of the week with you. It is Sunday and the weather was gorgeous, so my husband took advantage of it by putting all of our dinner out on the grill. So he smoked some ribs here for what, like 6 hours?
6.5.
They smell amazing. Can't wait to have those. And on the side we have some baked potatoes and some corn on the cob. That's dinner for tonight. Hi guys, it's Monday night and I did Brinner, so we made some pancakes. This is just from a box. I didn't make these from scratch. But it's the pancake mix from Aldi, which is really, really good. I've got some thick sliced bacon here. I like mine a little bit more well done than some people, I think. So I did some that was a little bit darker and some that was a little bit lighter. And we have hash browns, which I did in the air fryer, and those turned out so good. Okay, friends, it's Tuesday night now, and Robbie actually cooked dinner tonight. He made patty melts on this delicious rye bread, and we have some tater tots on the side. That's dinner tonight. Hi guys, it is Wednesday night, and you're looking at dinner. I made a meatloaf, and it was the first meatloaf I've made in quite a while, so we're all pretty excited about it. It's a family favorite. So I got meatloaf, some skin-on mashed potatoes that I whipped up in my stand mixer, and some peas, and that is dinner for tonight. So it is Thursday. Is it Thursday?
Yes.
It's Thursday night. We've got barbecue chicken for dinner tonight. They are chicken thighs. My husband did these out on the grill, and they turned out really good, so I'm excited about those. And Robbie was in charge of side dishes tonight, so he made macaroni and cheese and baked beans. That's our dinner for Thursday night.